All right, quick little overview of the E-fan and controller install. I did change up my intercooler piping, just put in a straight pipe right there instead of the blow-off valve. I had a 90 coupler and then just stuck the blow-off valve right there. Thought it'd give me a little bit more room up front for the fans, or fan for right now. As far as the wiring, this is probably the one thing I didn't buy off eBay, this fan. I ran the ground right here to the little coolant pipe, and then the positive to the relay. Relay is pretty easy to follow. Red battery positive, black ground. Yellow is the ignition, orange is the first fan, blue is the second fan, green AC clutch. I don't know who makes this, it says made in China, so but we got everything connected. Just temporarily ran the wires so I can see which way I want to route them all when it's all finished up. We got positive on the battery, negative on the ground terminal of the battery. For the ignition wire, I just ran it into this existing control for right now. I don't know if I'm going to keep it there or move it to a different ignition wire. This was either for the pressure check valve or whatever's on this side of the manifold. For the sensor, what I tried to do was weld a nut to this coolant pipe and then retap that nut for the, I think this is 1/8 inch pipe thread. So tried to do that. It does seep a little bit. What I might end up doing is just completely replacing that pipe with a new fitting or something. So we got orange cable running to just a little quick connector I have right here, just so if I need to I can remove it. So far, when I've just tried to get the car started and up to temperature, it has kicked on. There is a little adjustment on the relay where you can change the temperature that comes on at. It is just a cheapest one I could find at Summit, right around 2,500 CFM. Just idling in the driveway and playing with the mist tune or whatever. It's been keeping the car cool, so we'll see. That is a dual fan controller, so I might end up getting another smaller fan to put on this side, or maybe putting some shrouding on there, getting a little bit better cooling effect. But just for now, just to give everything a shakedown, it's holding up okay.